Today on Crypto Line, we'll be talking about why we should buy Dogecoin in 2021, and how before the end of the year, Dogecoin is likely to moon to a range from 70 cents to $1. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
I'm here at Apollo HQ to talk about gold secured currency, also known as GSX. GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP. Secondly, growth. The asset backing behind GSX grows because the funds generated from the mines backing it go directly to purchasing new mining projects as well as increasing the bullion backing it.
Dogecoin has been a phenomenon in the cryptocurrency world. It's kept on beating the odds despite many setbacks that have beset crypto space. The price has soared by more than 4,500% since the beginning of the year and is up nearly 11,000% over the past 12 months. Even Dogecoin's biggest competitors in the crypto space haven't been able to achieve such explosive growth. The price of Bitcoin, for example, has increased only around 300% over the past year, and Ethereum is up around 860% in the same time period, which makes it noteworthy to say Dogecoin has soared when others kept going down. Part of the reason Dogecoin has earned such explosive returns is because retail investors have pumped up its price. Celebrity billionaires like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban have also helped fuel Dogecoin's rise to the top by publicly voicing their support for the crypto. Ever since, Elon Musk has been tagged the Doge founder because his involvement set the price to surge by more than 15,000% from the start of the year to an all-time high of 74 cents on 8th of May. Yet again, we understand the power of influence, how influential people supporting something changes consumer behavior. Dogecoin started showing bullish signs earlier this year. As at the time of the initial increase, the value growth was slow. Notably, the first 3 months were pretty slow compared to the rest of the crypto market, which was surging at an alarming rate. In April, the surge caught up with Doge as well, as it increased nearly 10 times in value, jumping from 5 cents to 45 cents. The reversal came that month as well, forming a massive bear signal after the bullish trend, and eventually, the decline followed the next 2 months. These 2 months were a resentment to the initial thoughts people had about Dogecoin at the time, although it was a good season for other investors to invest in the coin in its bearish era. The remaining months of the year looked bullish already, so it seems like Dogecoin is set to resume the bullish trend again. It may bounce back from its slump, and it's estimated to move up further before the year ends. This predicted bullish increase is predicted to continue as the year runs out. While Dogecoin's price has suffered from consistent selling pressure since early June, it keeps getting reignited when it shapes up to make comprehensive moves of its own to the upside. Despite predictions of a steep fall, it has continued to test the resistance at higher prices, especially at the 30 cents area, which acted as its support a few months ago. Dogecoin's value appears to be in its recovery stage, noting its 4th consecutive green candle on the chart as it returns to the 25 cents price level. It's mostly influenced by positive market sentiment as well as the general market move, which appears to be bullish at this time. We might be finally seeing the fruits of the upgrade, which the Doge developers introduced for the network. Dogecoin has managed to increase above the bearish resistance trendline that's trapped the meme coin for almost a month. The monthly chart shows a dip of about 16%. This means that in the course of a month, the bearish sentiment held sway, and even though some of the loss has been recovered, the bearish indicator is yet to disappear. We expect that this would change pretty soon as the gains in October rise above 20% and hold above that level for the duration of the month. Then, the bearish sentiment that surrounded the market will be diminished. In the meantime, the Doge community appears to be like underdog investors who remain resolved and undeterred in their determination to win as hopes that Dogecoin surges are retained. The Dogecoin Foundation is also looking to the future of the broader Dogecoin ecosystem, and in coming weeks, we'll be trumpeting new systems that will embrace the current core wallet to enable quick integration and easier APIs for financial, social, and charitable systems wishing to use Dogecoin. Notable figures have long rushed into several forms of investment under the widening canopy of Dogecoin, among which is the Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. This quick succession of Dogecoin has served several pointers to its further future growth, which won't come as a surprise to sages and thoughtful traders. Investor Glauber Contesoto, whose Dogecoin holdings previously surpassed a value of $1 million, isn't worried. "You just gotta zoom out and chill," Contesoto told CNBC's Make It. Though he isn't a financial expert, he's optimistic that Dogecoin has already hit bottom. The coin hit 16 cents a while back before inching up to 17 cents and regaining the 20 cents price level. Conte Soto, as well as other key holders of Dogecoin, have refused to sell despite Dogecoin's ups and downs. Some of Dogecoin's main addresses are still holding up pretty strongly, having not moved their assets throughout the bearish window. Now, with Dogecoin trading around 25 cents, buyers are encouraged to take advantage of the current price levels to get a good buy-in before a comprehensive surge sets in. Dogecoin is coming back stronger. Elon Musk's head is still pretty much in the game for Dogecoin. He has in the past revealed that he holds an undisclosed amount of Dogecoin and he doesn't plan to sell. He's retained the position of a sort of pillar of support for Dogecoin so far this year. According to this chart, Doge dropped to an intraday low of less than 23 cents. The trajectory of Dogecoin that's highly anticipated is a recovery to about 44 cents. This price used to be a previous high, which was attained in early June. We're looking for the coin to retest that price level. It's an important part in its journey to returning to its previous all-time high. So far, the recovery has been small, with the coin trading between 20 and 25 cents. Dogecoin hasn't had it fair, with critics chipping in at times, contributing to sharp sell-offs that led to the price dip. We understand that unless the sell-offs are diminished to a bearable extent, the coin may experience some difficulty in getting back on track. We're glad that it's recovered the threshold price of 22 cents, with a possibly steady build to the upside being set up for a bullish rise. Upbeat Dogecoin predictions are nothing new. Last summer, a TikTok challenge that encouraged the video sharing app's mostly teenage users to gain exposure to Doge went viral. One video told them that if they bought just $25 worth of this altcoin, their investment would be worth $10,000 once Doge managed to hit $1. This surmises the expectations for Dogecoin to have been $1 since 2020. Dogecoin has already come close to achieving that, and we're looking forward to seeing it try again. When looking for the latest Dogecoin price prediction, what else should you consider? Among those who passionately believe that the coin's future price will be measured in dollars rather than cents is Mark Cuban, the billionaire owner of the Dallas Mavericks. His basketball team now accepts Doge as a payment method for merchandise. He's convinced that strong gains are a possibility. The amazing thing is that not only Mark Cuban that has adopted Doge as a payment method for merchandise, many other merchants are accepting it too. One that is noteworthy is the CEO of AMC, who's considering also accepting Doge for movie tickets. It's beautiful how Dogecoin keeps on winning in its adoption game. If this continues, one can only expect a bullish rise. Doge is a lot closer to $1 today than it was at the start of the year. The altcoin stands at around 24 cents and would need to rise about 350% to reach the dollar milestone. While that seems unlikely in the current situation, we can look forward to an accumulation in its value from now until the end of the year. There might be just enough time to achieve that objective. The Doge price hitting $1 would give the cryptocurrency a total market cap of $131 billion. This could possibly make it the third largest coin, eclipsing the likes of Binance Coin, Ripple, and Tether. The coin might even stay at $1, according to Investor Place. With renewed interest in the Shiba Inu-fronted coin, developers have since jumped back onto its code repository, proposing crucial usability and speed improvements. Developers have pushed major changes before. Digibyte and Litecoin snippets feature prominently in Dogecoin source code. More may be on the way. Who knows? We're keeping our hopes high, and it will be justified at a due date. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood car set.